I'm DJ Larson from Far North Alpine Ventures. We own and run Skiland, the farthest north ski area in North America. We operate Saturdays and Sundays as a ski area, and we operate every night of the week as an aurora viewing area, so we have to keep everything nice and clear for the tour buses to get up here. Also during the summer, we have an ATV tour that's starting this summer, so we'll be doing a lot of land clearing and trail maintenance for all of our ATV tours. The telescoping boom, we thought it would be a nice little frill when we first bought the machine, and it's proved to be more useful than we could have imagined. With a standard skid steer, we found a lot of obstacles that just couldn't be moved with a standard skid steer or that required a lot of work. With our new skid steer, now we can reach over barriers to scoop out snow, and now we can reach over the top of a tall truck and unload sandbags. When we're loading a broken snow machine on the back of a flatbed, having the telescoping boom to reach over the flatbed and the side door to get out to check your load. Before it was a dangerous procedure, now we can do it safely and easily. Looking over the options with safety in mind, the JCB machines were the best fit. The side door entry was definitely number one in our priority for safety. Again, just getting in and out of that front entry is difficult and dangerous. We were spending 4 hours with 2 people to do our parking lots. With our new Teleskid, now we can have one person take care of everything in 2 hours. So we have a significant cost savings in both equipment and in employee hours. The Teleskid's definitely a bit of a Swiss Army knife in its application. We can basically have one machine that takes one service trip on its intervals instead of a whole fleet of machines and still accomplish all the things we would do if we had a fleet of machines. Previously, we were estimating for every 8 hours on the machine, we were spending an hour fixing the machine. With our new Teleskid, now we can run a full day and, jump back in the next day, check the oil and hydraulics, and head out. We're spending a lot less time in the shop repairing things. It's a lot easier on the maintenance, and we get a lot more time of actual use versus repairing it after use. I would highly recommend going JCB over other brands just for that safety aspect. With the Teleskid having the extendable boom on it, it's just amazing what you can get done and how fast you can get it done. And I think if we were forced to go back to a standard design, well, I would just quit.